Are you eager to work from home but don't know how? ClickEarners.com is your answer. This platform is tailored for beginners looking for flexible online jobs. Let's explore how it can help you start your journey toward remote work. ClickEarners is designed to guide you through online job hunting. You'll find opportunities like data entry, virtual assistants, and online surveys. These are perfect for those who are new to the remote work scene. To start, you need to sign up for a membership. You have two options: pay $27 for a one-year access or $57 for lifetime access. Once you're a member, you're not just thrown into the deep end. You receive step-by-step training and valuable job hunting tools. The goal of ClickEarners is not to hand you a job. It's here to show you where to find real jobs online. You'll learn how to apply the right way. This includes links to trusted freelance sites and tips for creating a standout online profile. Don't worry if it all seems overwhelming. This structured guidance saves you a lot of confusion. Instead of endlessly searching online, everything you need is provided in one place. In addition, ClickEarners offers downloadable templates. These templates help you build a great resume and design compelling cover letters. Plus, you'll find tools to keep you organized while working from home. This resource isn't a shortcut to instant cash. It's for people eager to learn remote work basics. If you want to start but don't know where, ClickEarners is a useful stepping stone. Curious to explore it yourself? Check the link in the description below. Have you tried ClickEarners, or do you use another platform for remote work? Share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay updated with future tips on earning online. Thanks for watching. Remember, every journey starts with that first step.